lost my way, it's happening all on my own. Shouldn't be a past the gate, I'm strapped in, no, don't let go.
Hi Curlies, welcome to my channel Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and today I'm going to be trying the Kimberly Cherrell wet look tutorial. In that tutorial she used one custard and two gels. So the custard that she used was the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curl Sculpting Custard. It looks like this. It smells absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorite products for definition. And she also, the two gels that she used were the blue Wetline Xtreme and this new Style Factor Edge Booster Gel that I cannot find anywhere. So instead of that, I'm going to be using the blue Eco to see if I can create a similar look. For my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Bodyworks Almond Marshmallow Hydration Serum. I have had this for a while, but I haven't used very much, but I like it. Kind of smells a little weird. This is freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. So I'm going to start by wetting my hair with some warm water. Kimberly got her hair pretty wet in her video. I don't usually go too crazy with the water, but since this is supposed to be the wet look, I feel like I might as well. Now I'm going to add some of the hydration serum. Now I'm just going to add this serum to the rest of my head, and I will be back to start adding my custard and my gels. So this is what my hair is looking like with just the hydration serum in it. It's looking pretty good. Let me know in the comments if you think I should try this for a one product wash and go. It's looking like it might have some interesting results. Okay, so now that I am finished adding the hydration serum, I'm going to start adding my custard and my 2 gels to my sections. So I think I'm definitely gonna start with the custard, and then I think I'm gonna do Eco and then Wetline on top. Okay, so first I'm gonna add about this much of the custard. Now I'm going to add about this much of the Eco. This is my absolute favorite Eco styler for a wash and go. So I already know it's gonna have my hair, my curls popping. And now we're gonna add the final gel, which is the Wetline Xtreme. I start with about this much because this isn't that big of a section and I'm using a lot of products. And I'm just gonna layer that right on top. All I know is this is going to take forever to dry. So this is what my hair is looking like with all of the products in it. It is definitely looking wet. Shiny, curls very defined. So I'm just gonna keep adding these 3 products to the rest of my sections, and I'll see you when I'm done. This is what the first side of my head is looking like. It's looking pretty wet. I don't even think I've ever applied this much gel to my hair. And I use a lot of gel, so this is gonna be a new experience. But I am definitely loving the definition, and I'm loving the way it's looking so far. I just wanted to say, when you're doing like any kind of wash and go, just make sure you are really getting your roots, because that's gonna be the thing that makes your hair not look puffy at the top or frizzy at the top. Just really make sure you are coating your roots with every section. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like now that it's completely dry.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I gotta say, it is popping. I might be doing the wet look again after this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my baby hairs really quick. I'm gonna use this edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store. I think it was like $2, I think. And I'm gonna use a little bit more of the Wetline Xtreme, which was the gel that I used, the product that I used the most out of all of the 4. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it directly on my edges. Then I'm gonna take this brush and swoop them a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna come back when my hair is pretty dry. I don't know if it's gonna be fully dry, because I don't know if this will fully dry by the end of tonight, but I'm gonna come back on here by the end of tonight and show you what my hair is looking like before I tie it up to go to sleep tonight. Okay, I'm back. It's been about, I wanna say like 4 hours since I did the wash and go. My hair is still pretty wet, which is definitely what I expected with all the gel and water that I added, but it's looking really great. There's basically no frizz, period.
Period.
And I am loving that. I usually braid my hair up if it's still wet and I'm about to go to bed. So I'm gonna do that now and tie it up with my scarf, and then I will come back and show you what it's looking like tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be fully dry by then. Okay, I'm back. It's the next day. I put my hair back into like a little pony just to kind of stretch it a little bit. So this is what my hair is looking like. I feel like it still looks pretty wet. There's a lot of shrinkage, but that was to be expected with the amount of gel that I used because I really piled it on. And I haven't stretched my hair besides putting it back in a low pony for maybe 15 minutes, not long at all. Those 3 products mix very well together. Actually, those 4 products mix very well together. And I don't have any flaking whatsoever. My hair is crunchy, but still not terribly crunchy. So less crunchy than I was expecting. And I feel like I'm gonna get days from this wash and go. Even if it stops looking wet, I can stretch it and fluff it and it'll look really cute. So, yay! Alright, well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment anything you'd like to see, any questions you have, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.